Hello people on YouTube, Peou here. Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the BrosTrend 8-port 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet Switch. So let's get started. This is the first video of 2026, so I want to apologize for the lack of content I've been uploading these years. So I'm finally back, which I want to let you guys know that I am still around. So it's just things have been pretty crazy, but anyways, let's get to this video. So first we're gonna take a review of this box. This is a BrosTrend 8-port multi-gigabit Ethernet switch, model number S3. This is an unmanaged switch. It shows it's 8-port 2.5 gigabit ports. It's plug and play, silent operation, which what this means is it's pretty quiet, and it's also hassle-free cabling. On the side of it, it comes with this. It has the specs, which is 802 IEEE 802.3 and all that stuff. The interface, and it uses the recommended is Cat 5e or higher, which in my case I'm using Cat 6. It has a capacity of 40 gigabits and all that other stuff, and it has the contents that it will come with. On the back, it shows you tells you what this product does and all that other stuff, and it shows you, and it checks off what power plug it comes with. Well, since I live in the United States, it checks off the US power plug, or I guess it would be the North American power plug, what it would be used in US, Canada, Mexico. And on the other side here, we have other different languages and so many other things. And on the top, BrosTrend lifetime warranty. And underneath it, it has so many other information on here, like serial numbers, QR codes, which I'm gonna cover all that with my thumbs, as well as like the email, the tech support. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to opening this thing up. Okay, so it is wrapped. So let me see. How do I? All right, there we go. Sorry about that. Just hit the stand. So we're gonna open it to the side here, and we're gonna slide out all the contents. Okay, that's about it for that box. So what we have is a BrosTrend. This is like their website and their support. We have some other manuals here, like installation guide, which I know how to set this thing up. And here we have the unit itself, which we'll set that to the side. And we have the power supply right here. Of course, this is a North American power supply, US, Canada, Mexico. So yeah, and here is the start of the show. So taking a look at it, it's white. On the sides here, there's it's vents. On the front, nothing. On the back, we have 8 ports, 8 2.5 gigabit ports with a power plug to give this thing power. And on the top, BrosTrend with another vent up here. And these are LED indicators. And underneath it, there's also more vents. You can also mount this on the wall as well, which is why there's 2 screw mounting holes. And I'm also covering the serial number and all that stuff. So just keep in mind, if you're buying this product, make sure you have a router that is 2.5 gigabit capable, that has a 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, and also you need to have 2.5 gigabit devices like computers and all that stuff, which currently right now I don't have any at the moment, but I will eventually to take advantage of it. So this is to replace my my 5-port D-Link 1 gig switch that I had for a very long time now, because I got an upgrade of my new router from Verizon, which this is the CR1000A. So it uses two 2.5 gigabit LANs and one 10 gig E, but this is connected to the 2.5 gigabit E port. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. So let me go ahead and stop, and then I'll get to plugging it in. All right, I just got it hooked up now. I just had to plug it into my router, and then plug the device I had in it, which I only have is my printer. So these lights will come on if you plug anything in there, like a printer, which I have, or either a computer, a video game console, smart TV, etc. Anything you plug into this will get internet access. So that means this thing is now good now. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, review, and setup of this 2.5 gigabit Ethernet switch by BrosTrend. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, tempo20411, and hit that subscribe button for more future contents coming up in the future. And I'll see you again in future videos. So anyways, thanks for watching.